Get ready for a thrilling ride in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies. Have you considered how to best navigate the rapidly approaching cryptocurrency changes for 2025?
Financial experts are joining forces, sharing their top strategies and forecasts that will help you capitalize on the dynamic market ahead.
We'll have George, the host of CryptosRUs, offering insights on why Bitcoin could soar beyond $200,000 and sharing crucial tactics to optimize your investment returns.
Also, stay tuned for information on a potential alt season. Find out which altcoins might rise dramatically as market dynamics shift.
Our seasoned experts are armed with valuable insights, and we've condensed their wisdom to save you time and maximize your investment prowess.
Join us for essential takeaways that will keep you ahead of the curve in this exciting journey.
Let's dive in. You won't want to miss George's insights on preparing for the inevitable shifts in the crypto landscape. Let's dive right in. Today, we're gearing up for the highly anticipated 2025 cryptocurrency bull run.
Indeed, our insightful guest, George from CryptosRUs, will share his predictions and strategies to successfully navigate this imminent market evolution.
What is George's central thesis?
George posits that rising demand for Bitcoin could drive prices up to $200,000 or more by the end of 2025. Strategic preparation and timely asset sales are essential.
What does George project for Bitcoin?
George firmly believes Bitcoin is on track to reach between $200,000 and $300,000, propelled by significant institutional adoption and unprecedented inflows into ETFs.
What profit-taking strategies does George recommend?
He advises maintaining a cash position of 25 to 35%, allowing for flexibility to buy during market dips while selling off assets as prices ascend.
What potential risks could affect these predictions?
George cites concerns regarding possible ETF sell-offs and macroeconomic pressures that could impede progress. However, Bitcoin's inherent scarcity differentiates it from other assets.
Which altcoins should investors keep an eye on?
George mentions promising altcoins like Solana and Avalanche, which have significant upside potential, and suggests diversifying into these assets.
What's George's outlook for Bitcoin?
He forecasts Bitcoin could exceed $200,000 by 2025, driven by pronounced institutional demand and capped supply.
How will market conditions unfold?
Volatility is anticipated, but investors must stay alert to navigate potential price fluctuations as the bull market progresses.
What are the core takeaways?
George emphasizes the necessity of preparation and strategic planning for investors looking to navigate the volatility of the 2025 bull market.
How should investors approach the changing crypto landscape?
Stay proactive. In this rapidly evolving environment, opportunities abound. Navigate wisely and keep your strategy sharp.
Now, let's shift gears. The latest buzz in the crypto realm revolves around the Federal Reserve's rate cuts, signaling the possible onset of the most significant alt season ever.
Absolutely. Led by insights from RAN, viewers are in for a treasure trove of information regarding which altcoins to watch.
What's sparking the excitement in the altcoin market?
The central thesis is that the recent 50 basis point rate cut by the Federal Reserve has ignited bullish sentiment among altcoins, marking a significant moment for this sector.
What impact do these rate cuts hold?
Historically, substantial rate cuts have led to surges in altcoin prices. The recent reduction echoes similar trends witnessed back in 2020.
What's currently happening with altcoins?
We're observing extraordinary gains. Numerous altcoins have skyrocketed by 24% or more in mere hours, indicating robust momentum shifting away from Bitcoin.
What about the investment funds?
There's $6.5 trillion in market funds. As rates fall, investors will seek higher returns, which typically means reallocating into riskier assets like altcoins.
Where is this leading?
With continued interest, this alt season could gain significant momentum as more investors dive into lesser-known tokens that haven't surged yet.
How will investor strategies shift?
As altcoins take the spotlight, expect a notable evolution in investment strategies, including rising market volatility in the near future.
What's the overarching takeaway?
The excitement around altcoins is tangible, and thanks to the Fed's monetary policies, we may be on the threshold of a monumental alt season.
Do you think this alt season will stick?
Let's keep our eyes on market trends. This could be the alt season we've all been waiting for.
Now, let's explore the implications of recent rate cuts. Seems everyone is curious about what this means for both Bitcoin and the overall market.
Absolutely. Benjamin will dissect the broader impacts of this recent cut, and there's plenty of material to analyze.
What is the core discussion Benjamin is addressing?
The crux of the conversation is that a 50 basis point cut indicates the Federal Reserve's commitment to stimulate economic growth despite rising unemployment rates.
What labor market conditions is Benjamin discussing?
He highlights concerns over weak labor market indicators, projecting unemployment levels will hover around 4.4%, which ultimately underscores economic frailty.
What motivated this notable rate cut?
Benjamin notes that the proactive cut aims to address rising unemployment, although the decision raises questions regarding market stability.
What does inflation data show?
Current inflation stands at approximately 2.59%, primarily influenced by the housing sector, an essential factor shaping future monetary policy.
What does Benjamin foresee moving forward?
He suggests that if unemployment continues to rise, further rate cuts could follow, directly influencing market expectations, particularly within the volatile crypto arena.
What is the anticipated trajectory for Bitcoin?
Benjamin predicts rising Bitcoin dominance as monetary policies shift, leading to potential price rallies driven by market reactions to these rate cuts.
What is the market outlook?
Market indicators suggest further rate cuts could be imminent if labor data continues to show weakness, influenced by political pressures.
What does the future hold for Bitcoin?
If this trend of rate cuts persists, Bitcoin could experience significant upward movement as investor sentiment swings favorably towards digital assets.
What are the critical takeaways?
In summary, the initiation of this rate-cutting cycle may reshape our understanding of economic stability and market behaviors, particularly within the cryptocurrency landscape.
Any last thoughts on what the audience should keep an eye on?
Continuous monitoring of economic indicators like unemployment will be key. How these factors unfold will certainly impact market dynamics.
If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates.
Your engagement helps us keep delivering insights into this evolving financial landscape. What are your expectations for Bitcoin and the markets? Let us know in the comments.
Let's examine the excitement. Are we truly on track with Bitcoin's recent rally? Today, we will delve into the latest market trends and exciting altcoin updates.
Absolutely. With the fluctuating price of Bitcoin and recent rates, it's vital to contemplate if this rally is sustainable or merely a temporary spike. Get ready for engaging insights.
What insights are emerging from Lark's analysis?
The core argument focuses on Bitcoin's post-Fed announcement surge. Maintaining this momentum is crucial. A strong breakthrough over $72,000 is essential for continued market confidence.
What's driving Bitcoin's recent activities?
Lark details an impressive climb, witnessing Bitcoin move from $57,000 to nearly $64,000 within a few days. However, caution surrounds the critical levels, especially regarding 200-day exponential moving averages.
What are the implications of the Fed's policy?
The essence lies in the Fed's rate cuts stoking market enthusiasm, yet there are underlying uncertainties about how potential political outcomes could shift Bitcoin's trajectory.
What critical resistance levels must Bitcoin overcome?
Surpassing $72,000 is crucial. Failure to do so could result in stagnation and missed opportunities for price surges.
What historical trends does Lark identify?
Bitcoin typically rallies in the fourth quarter. Given the current market and political climate, Lark suggests vigilance for pivotal fluctuations that might impact this traditional rise.
What does Lark suggest regarding risk management?
Emphasis is placed on implementing consistent profit-taking strategies rather than chasing elusive peaks. Securing gains is vital when navigating turbulent pricing.
What predictions does Lark forecast for the upcoming quarters?
There's a growing energy surrounding Q4. If Bitcoin breaks through key resistance levels, forecasts for upward surges are likely to follow as investors re-enter the market.
What should traders expect regarding market volatility?
Lark warns of heightened volatility as traders respond to evolving market landscapes. Stay prepared for wild price swings that keep the excitement alive.
What final considerations does Lark offer?
Ultimately, traders must remain alert to market dynamics. Developing a solid strategy to navigate potential fluctuations will be essential for future success.
And how important is profit-taking in this environment?
It's crucial. Strategically taking profits will keep you ahead of the game, especially in these volatile markets.
As we wrap this up, we want to know your thoughts. What's next for Bitcoin?
Share your insights in the comments. It's always fascinating to hear different perspectives on the unfolding crypto landscape.
In our final summary, let's focus on Bitcoin's exhilarating surge following the recent Federal Open Market Committee meeting.
That's right. George from CryptosRUs will share essential insights into market reactions, how this affects Bitcoin investors, and critical takeaways for the near future.
What event triggered this exciting Bitcoin rally?
George explains that Bitcoin's current rise is primarily attributed to the Fed's aggressive rate cuts, the first in 4 years, which tremendously boosted market sentiment.
What can we learn about the recent Fed rate cut?
George reiterates that the unexpected 50 basis point drop sent shockwaves through the market, indicating a critical need to revive the economy.
How did Bitcoin react to market conditions?
Bitcoin surged to approximately $62,000, with increasing ETF demand driving this unprecedented price increase.
What role does the dollar index play?
The dollar index experienced a decline, increasing Bitcoin's appeal. When the dollar weakens, investment in Bitcoin typically rises.
What future forecast does George present?
He predicts more rate cuts in the near future, paving the way for heightened Bitcoin investment as investors seek safer assets.
What market trends should investors watch for?
George anticipates a potential explosive bull run for Bitcoin, coinciding with upcoming election events, following established historical patterns.
As we wrap up, what are the main conclusions?
Ultimately, the recent Fed decisions and increased Bitcoin demand forecast an optimistic outlook for the crypto market. An exciting phase is upon us.
Let's keep the conversation going. What do you think will happen with Bitcoin in the coming months?
Share your thoughts below. Your insights could lead to a vibrant discussion as we observe this intriguing journey.
That wraps up our exploration of the insights shared by our financial experts regarding the upcoming crypto bull run.
Indeed, the enthusiastic predictions from George about Bitcoin overshadowing $200,000 certainly raise excitement.
And let's not overlook Rand's take on the likely unprecedented Altseason coming our way.
Right. Plus, Benjamin highlighted how interest rate cuts could just be the golden ticket for crypto enthusiasts.
Additionally, Lark reminded us of the macroeconomic factors that will play into Bitcoin's rally potential.
As a final note, remember that having robust strategies for market volatility will be vital, as shared by George Tung.
Thank you for joining us. If you found valuable insights in today's discussions, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Don't miss out on future content that can enhance your investment strategies. Until next time, keep exploring other videos on our channel.